Thank God it's Friday. World of entertainment. Near Echegu, a fata nino sumuno. Mame telling some what it. Now we can know. Fetch street capra. Aye, because why? I dear Chibians and for fun, money, and me to be. I demand nominating the sister son to be a guy. I'm the guy's queen. Nkwadama me. Yabebim, yadebesumo. Now answer no real quick. We dey this ready na me dey to me penny for him kakra wadaroma Electricity Company of Ghana Limited, ECG for short. Yabesremo. When you say we serious respect to mama pass as an entity. TS most respect my as people of Ghana. And Rajuma pa when me deal with me area no. Hey, I saw near doom. I feel quiet and I say. I'm the lights and a kumche. Hey, what at least one now say, oh, say, aha, coco murmure, caswa, Tessano, La Paz, Monk can't chase or your bedroom can at times say. You be sonny, I am way, a just to fridge, eh? Yes, we above bracket and get every years I go to fridge. Oh, Munya, what's your best announcement you of Hamoma you? Ebi amu face challenges ni nyina aje ye ne mo nyina aye o manfo a yete o man ni mo aye pe o man ni na mo kan che na ye hu ye hu ano by now make obi kura o light off a se wonya akane aw ye hu ana me hwafo hwiri hia ma wate ye nto ansem no so me ne wo ka say fufuo party na mkwan so a ebeba seat of march enya afei na ye be ye ne waka say oh Adom TV na mo ye ne sen there bi ye no for be 7 good years ni ende bia no munim sene ye no from Fufu Party 1, Fufu Party 2, 3, 4, 5. Cover the crust still ya the chair. Ebeba so afi. Ye could break a cry, ye buy a massive. Imagine, be did free. Yes, if I were bra. I want to cry only be my two. Now, we send no see Jawa how at home. I walk off every coho. Are you have fresh cry, more and more tro? It's brabedy di my free. What say? This is our little way of saying thank you for always tuning in on Adom TV. It's Bedi Mr. Weber. And I won't money maybe no mon she. Sat na a corner uba, obedi dear. Uba, I see a man number who tilapia and remunam edea. Restaurant a cuckoo dam organa, and ya boom in ano say, Mamma Ghana for Gianni. San say a domododo. What it? Weba, me and Ribbon Brexit Siara. Yan twasso. A very old ja, ya bako a sanka match, just say. Near manning in a chegu. Ya con somness wa Wendy Shay, a Ghanaian songstress. Now no me catch him will say. She's one of the few people je book, you know. Was a man or artist, no one shada endorse. Oh, no so cry no. Acquire 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hits. But Wendy no, or bear 20 hits. Yeah, you know, send run any birthday. A branch wing. Only Wendy na me say Wendy manager. Said then you could show be zongo fair. A chasm the by now, my boss will make with young pet with all the chance. A chance some day, I can't say, but I know I steady. Nippon Wedgman now, I know I steady pa. I was now wouldn't any leads here. Eh, the birthday, no. When Ambassadorial deal, but on some much and as our company, no so any sponsor, I'm more far we major. They bet me I can congratulations. Congrats, very big congratulations to you, Wendy Shay, on your new ambassadorial deal. Aha, young Corfono, or Munfiam again, Jaja. It's me, Moody, but her flowers not near with region. But don't play the brand or Munjaka. Okay, Shabba is yeah.
You guys been ready? Yeah, ready. Queen!
Yo, Jeezy! Hey, long time. How you feeling about that?
Traffic. We need traffic. We got something for you.
Hey, what's this? Wedding. Happy birthday!
We got a surprise for you. Check it out.
Oh my God, this is so cute. Everything I'll tell you.
Yeah. Okay, you know, you better so why big congratulations because this is a brand, it's not paid us. Yantwaso. Abrewanana, Ghana, Rana, Rockstar, Mano ya day, sing ghetto black star, Sawotare, Mano, and a plaster. Charlie Bomb Master Lady Way. Man, one of the Olamika, Ulanika. Now you can't say Yeragama rhymes. She's the girl. What I say? And Debbie Ameka, Sabroche pan and Crofo or Moa, Broche baby no Moa, Caroyalties or Mushi, Tikombinya, a few more crafts, talent, and I. And ye been so monam has a Ghana for Mubino, and Shadam for Munyashi. By yet a Mosua, near sorry. I brought you back Quaba, and the same industry friend who black. Na me sure say mumu bebre na nim so a Ghanaian guy like mumu bebre na no have not come to realize say this is our own. Since you being international export by kwa kan ho a ye de ne be ka Shatta Wale boy this and Black Sheriff Stone Boy mo sa akode ye de be ka no ho aye international exporter ye be export yo mo e friend Kwadwo Black mun hye ne din nso mbegina ha bo talent din a you know that this is it. Someone supporting Ghanaian artists. No more they are tough from no. You say legends at the new streets, and everyone happens to jump on the train, Shatta Wale, and a whole lot more Ghana music to the whole yes. And you fair, Stefano, your monster, my legend, everyone. I mean, it's still was a vibe, and it's that energy. It's so beautiful. It's very beautiful. Vamos, so. Happy birthday. And Farmer Alvin or Heneba Nimakon. Alvin or Heneba Nimakon or saying I mean sure na on your day unsi we way for Katachi a JC Kappa honum minyabe majesty. What kind of news in my in the Aza? We say a happy blessed birthday anniversary. And come Mrs. Angela na ajele anan also may the Lord enlarge your coast and keep you in good health. Way free Stefano honum Stefano is sound engineer multimedia and see Mrs. Angela na ajele anan. This is from you. And right, that's sorry not to say lady or say actress Kwando Beyonce fela makafui de ne ex-husband enyom jame Ola Mikel Stefano momi ni kan monse man say or timi de ne ex-husband enyom jame. This is love, and this is how thank you this is for you fella. This is how we like it on the streets. I mean, who said divorce should be and tokwane or time? No. This is beautiful to know say Montema Teteba still no more domamu because at the end of the day more about internal. I mean sure for keeping it that way. But on the second hand, you know, Mr. Maitri must say a market strategy. What I say? A market strategy. Or comment session crying and yes, Sister Sandy crying eka. Kofo na ake kana Mr. Mabuano de catch him say because I was said that bar say or your makeup product. I mean man free promo. I say a big brand, a friend of beauty by fella. And so shall I by saying come on Tomana bloggers see and come over to your mobile discuss the own chia kakra answer. Ewe girls are so hard working. Ewe girls they are smart. On to ordinity at the bejo. Any ain't no what the no I shame the beauty by felane nemua and opera be Adom TV. Yes, you be your story. No, this is a businesswoman. What do I say? Straight up business strategy because she knows how to get you talking. She knows how to be in the news. And what the ajayi? See a congonsa. Ebi or Tony product. Monko tomano. What a no genie legends. Monko ramra what get smart. Yatia because yanda congonsa dewu. Into use us. We are your promo plugs. Use us. Miss Baden, I see Eugenia Baden, oh, makeup department. Wanuine, oh, slay me, come. Big shout out to Miss Baden. Thank you so much. Mark Weber, Asante Achim, Agogo Dishe Kron, Eja SK from Ponena, no, Wanuine, I'm a director. Now, by inside, now her meme, chame, whoshia, will be in control, say, meming in any bar enemy. What I say, if you mean if I saw what a course was, I say, Isaac was say. I on open a coffee out, say, with Jim, Alexis Jim, I just say, big boy, big band, Obed, wogina mu a kyese e ma nyina so de hye kronkron omuso ni abema ben say design woni PR omuso gina Stefano mu nyina agina enti me da mu nyina amase OPD ya me producer OPD Ophelia da ko a watchere oy me big shout to Titi's Eatery me ja okwan am nkosa Joyce Blessing there why no ho say this year no oni e twagu ni mission nyina so betwe asefo nyina de aba nyame mu yanso agina mu na no obi kan we yesa wo jansa no pet no obi ewu enti sa na say ego we yesa wo ji wani pet no ahade akofa di black we yesa wo kokla bo next so he was my funny run no me ne be rade mu enti wo na wo ni akire enti wakofa di black afa kwabna after King Paluta no we no dey so me give it up for Joyce Blessing boom na no visa say hunhum na mtimi ni na nya hunhum class prefect ni mtimi na show say hunhum mu ameju why ti enyum no why me pon me need the sister Sandy be a guy Adom TV sika wellness no ya show mo Vows Day no say de omo betu kwan akọ have a beach experience zoo tour romantic dinner me de che de be ko bia me twegu e de amamo I'm the guy Queen and Kwala Mame enemy same time Monday I will be here. Thank you for joining. I'm out.